what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day set. This has been my life for the last 3 weeks. She was born on the 30th of December. Oh, we got a little smile. Aw, so I figured I'd do a little vlog type video, I guess. It's definitely hard having a baby in the dead of winter. My other two were born in April, so it was a little bit easier to like get out and go for a walk and enjoy the sunshine. Whereas today it's 4 degrees and there's snow, and yeah, we just don't leave the house. It's like we're a bunch of hermits over here. I've gotten very little sleep. Days are hard, nights are even harder, but I've got 2 other kids, so we're just gotta get back into the routine of things. And yeah, doing my friend's nails. We're gonna do a little chrome Valentine's Day set, so come along and watch me do her nails. This set here is about 4.5 weeks old, so obviously we have to remove this. So I'm going to go in with my Sky e-file and I'm just going to drill off most of that product, all of the polish, or about 95% of it, and then I'm going to remove the bulk of the builder gel that I have on there. Going to remove that dust, and now I'm going to go on with my cuticle pusher and just push back those cuticles. You want to do this gently. It looks like it's a little more aggressive here, but it's just sped up. Now I'm going to go in with my cuticle bit, and I'm just going to take this around the cuticle area and clean up any dead skin that might be around there. And then I'm going to try to remove a little bit more polish. You want to make sure you don't do too much on the natural nail plate because you don't want to remove any of the natural nail. So just be careful and be gentle. Next, I'm going to go on with the sanding band, and I'm just going to take that around the cuticle area again and across the whole nail plate and just remove again the rest of that nail polish. And then I'm going to just even out this surface so we can do our application for builder gel. Taking a regular hand file, I'm just going to go shave these down a bit to make them a little shorter. Taking some rubbing alcohol, I'm just going to clean up those nails, remove any of the dust, and these are looking really good, perfect for our application now. I'm going to go in with the Madam Glam base coat. I'm applying that to all of the nails, and then we're going to cure in the light for 60 seconds. For our builder gel, I'm going in with this Glitterbels color in my pearl. This is the perfect baby pink color for Valentine's Day. I really like having colored builder gels because it just takes the polish out of everything, and I just appreciate the less layers. So for applying builder gel, you're going to first apply a slip layer, and you're not going to cure this. Next, you're going to go in with a bigger bead, and you're just going to then take a liner brush and just work it around the cuticle area, across the surface, and you want to make this as even as possible. If you're finding that your builder gel is getting away from you or you've applied too much, you can always flip the hand over to kind of gain control over it again. Once it gets into the cuticle area though, it's a little bit harder to get under control, so you want to try to catch it before that happens. I do cure in between each nail. I don't do more than one at a time just because it gives me anxiety, and I feel like it's just going to get all messed up if I don't cure it immediately. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to finish the rest of these nails. Once I'm done with all the nails and they're cured in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol and some paper towel and just clean up the sticky layer on that. She wanted a very simplistic design, nothing too crazy, so we did some chrome and we did some hearts. She's one of my very minimalistic clients, and honestly a lot of my clients are. I don't really get too many people that want like crazy designs on their nails, which is fine. I mean, people are going to choose what they want to choose and I don't really try to talk them out of it. But applying that chrome, you're going to apply a top coat and just cure in the lamp for about 15 to 20 seconds, not much longer than that. Then I'm just taking this sponge here and I'm going to rub on that chrome. I always apply the top coat and the chrome last on the thumbs so they can kind of lift their thumbs upwards towards the light in the lamp. It just cures better that way, and sometimes if you do them all at the same time and you cure them all at the same time for 15 to 20 seconds, you can tell that it's not cured all the way on the thumb. Next, I'm going to go in with my dotting tool and some pink polish, and we're just going to create those little hearts, create 2 little dots, and I'm taking a liner brush here and just going to form that shape of the heart. This here is the finished look. I think they turned out really cute and perfect for my simple girlies. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this set, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.